This meditation, a quick mood boost, stress relief, or reconnecting with your natural state of happiness. Get comfortable, sit or lie down in a cozy spot. Posture relaxed but alert. Imagine a string gently lifting your head toward the sky. Set your intention. I choose to feel good right now. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Now, very gently, lift the corners of your mouth into a small smile. Not a big grin, just a subtle, peaceful smile. Feel how this changes your face, your breath, your energy. Imagine this smile spreading inward to your cheeks, your jaw, your forehead. Your whole face is glowing with quiet joy. Now let it flow down your neck, shoulders. Your entire body is smiling from the inside. Place your hands over your heart. Imagine a tiny, brilliant sun glowing there. With every inhale, it grows warmer, brighter. With every exhale, its golden light expands. Now recall a moment you felt pure happiness. A child's laughter, a sunset, a pet's affection. Let that memory fuel your heart, son. The light now pulses with each heartbeat. Radiating through your veins, your skin, until you are wrapped in a cocoon of golden warmth. Imagine standing on a cliff by the ocean. A clean, satin breeze brushes your skin. With each inhale, you drink in freshness. With each exhale, the wind carries away. Any worries, any shouts, anything dulling your joy. The wind whispers, you are free to feel good. Your body feels lighter, your mind clearer. Now, picture thousands of tiny sparkles. Like fireflies or stardust. They swirl around you, then through you. Every cell they touch tingles with aliveness. Your fingers sparkle, your toes sparkle, even your thoughts shimmer with lightness. Silently say, "This is my natural state. I am joy." Press your thumb and index finger together. As you do, recall this feeling of ease. This is your feel good button. Press it anytime to return to this moment. Take one more deep breath. Wiggle your fingers. Open your eyes and keep that tiny smile. You don't need a reason to feel good. You are the reason.